My name is Becky Flanders, and I am the PIM Product Owner at Solventum. So Solventum is a medical dental filtration company out of St. Paul, Minnesota. We produce a lot of products within medical, surgical, dental, orthodontics. Basically, if you've probably ever had a cavity filled, you probably have used our products. We're a recent spin-off from 3M, so that's probably where our products are a little better known by. And as far as markets, we're kind of all over. We're present in 73 different countries around the world. We have our own e-commerce and websites, also do some retail, and then of course sell a lot through distributors and channel partners. We're really organized by businesses. Like I said, we have our medical surgical business, we have a dental and orthodontics business, health information systems, and then purification. So each of those businesses kind of have their own goals and objectives, obviously, their own markets that they're selling in, different ways that they have to sell. And because we're in a medical space, there's a lot of different regulations, regulatory things that you have to deal with when you're in those spaces as well. And then within each of those groups, we have a single digital operations team, and those teams are the ones that are doing the day-to-day work within the PIM itself. So they are the ones that are updating information that they're receiving from marketing or marketing communication partners, telling them what changes need to be made. Our onboarding experience with Akeneo was quick, quite frankly. As a spin-off, we had a very limited amount of time to move our PIM. However, Akeneo did make it very easy for us to be able to accomplish that. We migrated our entire PIM in about 4 months, which if we had, the time that we had really wanted, probably would have taken us 4 years. But Akeneo made it very easy for us to accomplish that in such a short amount of time. And as well, I'm looking forward to some of the recent changes that I think are going to make it easy for us to refine those things, because of course when you do things fast, you don't always get the opportunity to do them right. There's just been so much change. Like I said, we were a spin-off company, and that has literally only been around for 1 year. So there's been a lot of change overall in our MarTech stack and things like that. So our relationship with Akeneo, again, has kind of developed probably quicker than it would have otherwise, just because we are on such completely tight deadlines. But overall, it's been a great customer experience. Anytime I reach out to our rep to say, hey, how do I, or where do I, or who do I talk to about things, or any interactions, within any of the help portals, we have a fantastic person. Every time I email with a problem, I'm getting a response within an hour, and it's great working with all of those people because the responsiveness is incredible. We work with other big name companies for other systems, and it can take days to get responses. So just the level of customer service in general across Akeneo is quite amazing from my viewpoint. So I think the rules engine is a really powerful thing that we're using quite a bit. We use it in particular, we have a lot of measurements for our products, and we use it for conversions because we are a global company. Measurements are always in imperial and metric, and converting back and forth always gets a little dicey when you have human beings doing those sorts of conversions. So it's something that we use very extensively when it comes to measurement conversions. And then also we've really implemented it to automate our display for our .com. So using the rules engine, we can say, okay, when these conditions have been met, then I want you to turn this product on for our website. So it's something that definitely saves a lot of time. It also kind of saves products that may be older or obsolete, and we are actually selling from kind of getting lost in the shuffle. So it's definitely driving a lot of efficiencies with some of those things. Boy, there's a few different ones. So I've really started to dig into the quality and completeness a little bit more, because that is definitely something that our teams get measured on, is how much further has our product data come in a year? What does the completeness look like? And right now, just because of the way that we look at our data, we look at our products, it's not quite fitting what we need or what we want, but it's something that I'm really hoping we can work with Akeneo to sort of better serve us. In the meantime, like, it still gives us more information than we had previously, right? So that's definitely something that's on our roadmap. And then another thing is just dealing more with assets, and in particular integrations to outside dams, because that's been something that we've struggled with, but I'm hoping there's maybe new things coming that will make that a little nicer and a little cleaner for us.